One, two, three, four, five. 5 ways to make money on YouTube with a small channel. You see this on social media a lot. You see these well-known famous YouTubers with 100,000 subscribers, 500,000 subscribers, 1 million subscribers, 5 million subscribers. And you thought to yourself, wow, in order to make money on YouTube, I need a lot of views. I need tens of millions of views and millions of subscribers. Let me tell you this, it is simply not true. Today, I'm gonna prove to you how you can make decent money, even big money, with a small channel. Now, maybe you're just getting started. Maybe you only have a few hundred subscribers on your YouTube channel, maybe a few thousand, maybe tens of thousands. It doesn't matter. You see, I remember when I was getting started on YouTube, I was already generating 5-figure income from YouTube when I only had 4-figure subscribers, and I was generating 6-figure income from YouTube with only 5-figure subscribers, and then I was generating 7-figure income from YouTube when I had 6-figure subscribers. And today, well, I won't even talk about today. So think about it. What do you need to do? Number one, you could sell services. A mentee of mine, Gary Wong, he is a realtor in Vancouver. He is not trying to use YouTube to generate money directly, like say through AdSense and things like that. No, he runs a business. He is using YouTube as a lead generation platform, right? So when people watch his videos on YouTube, and if someone wants to purchase a property or someone who wants to list a property, he would then get them on the phone and offer his service. So offering services, that's a great way to make big money with a small channel. So if you are a service provider, meaning you're a consultant, you are a coach, you are an expert, maybe you are a real estate agent, maybe you're a mortgage broker, you're an insurance agent, you're providing a service in your local area, in your city. YouTube is a very, very powerful way to get your message out there, to promote your name, to get your name out there, to create some value in the marketplace and educate your potential clients. You let them consume your content, and when they are ready to do business, you'll be the first one that pops into the mind, that top of mind awareness, and say, yes, you are the one I want to do business with. So number one, using YouTube as a lead generation service platform for your existing business. Number two, another way that you could use YouTube to make money with a small channel is events. Now, some YouTubers, they do what I call meet and greet type of events, where they actually meet with their fans, and the fans get to meet with their favorite YouTuber, take photo, selfie, maybe even sign something here and there, merchandise. It's a very, very good way, because then you can meet with your fan. Even if a small fan base, you can sell tickets to meet with you, right? Or live event. I've done that too, where people coming from all over the world coming to my event, attending my live event. So you can use that to generate revenue as well. You don't need a lot of people. You don't need a lot of fans, a lot of subscribers to generate a significant amount of income. Does that make sense? Number three, offering digital products on your YouTube channel. I'm talking about digital courses. I'm talking about digital programs or any kind of online training programs. Now, the online training space, that's a multi-billion dollar industry. So you don't need a huge channel with a lot of subscribers. If you have the right topic, you can offer your online courses, and you can sell that for $100, $200, $500, even up to thousands of dollars. You don't need a lot of sales to make a decent amount of money. Recently, I've had the opportunity to talk to a YouTuber who only has a YouTube channel with only around 20,000 subscribers, less than 20,000 subscribers, who generates over $1 million from his YouTube channel. It goes to show you, you don't need a lot of subscribers to generate a substantial amount of income. Does that make sense? Number four, what if you say, Dan, I don't have digital courses. I don't know how to create digital courses. Guess what? You can also make money as an affiliate. You can promote other people digital courses. People who are creators, people who are experts who offer these type of courses. As an affiliate, you can promote their courses and then get a commission. Example, if they're selling a course that is $1,000 and you can help them promote their courses. When someone watches your video, maybe you do a review video of some kind, right? And they click on the link and they go ahead and go to the website and purchase that course, you can get a 20%, 30%, even up to 40, 50% commission. That is a pretty good deal. Wouldn't you say? You don't need to make a lot of sales to make a decent amount of income. Number 5, if you are a good YouTuber and if you have a solid foundation knowing how YouTube works, there are so many businesses out there that they want to launch a YouTube channel, or they have a YouTube channel but they're struggling to grow it. What you could do is to become a YouTube consultant, to actually help other people, to help them grow their YouTube channel, and then you can charge them a fee, a management fee, kind of acting as a digital agency, but for YouTube. Imagine a company paying you $1,000, $2,000, even $3,000 a month. Just help them manage their channels. Well, how many of these clients do you need? In some cases, one of these clients would be enough money to replace the job that you have right now, or it would give you some supplement income, right? With what you do, pays for your car, pays for your house mortgage, pays for your rent. It's a very, very powerful model. So taking your YouTube skill, your YouTube knowledge, and helping companies to generate more leads, helping them make more sales, helping them grow their YouTube channel, that's a fantastic way to make money. They don't really care so much about how many subscribers you have on your YouTube channel, and you're not counting on Google or AdSense to pay you any kind of money. You're using your skill to help company to generate recurring income. Isn't that exciting? Now, in the future, I might do a program on this. I'm thinking about it. I don't really have a plan, but if something you're interested in, comment below and let me know if you want to learn how to be a YouTube consultant. How do you become a highly paid YouTube consultant working just with companies? In the meantime, I'm doing a special online training called YouTube Secrets, where you could join me and learn more about how do you grow that YouTube channel. Doesn't matter if you do it for yourself or you want to do it for other people. Click a link here or somewhere here and join me for this special online live event. It is one time only. I'm going to share with you exactly how I grew my channel from 0 to over 1.4 million subscribers. I'm not saying you're gonna grow to like 1 million subscribers, but I think I could teach you a thing or two. How to get that next 100 subscribers? How to get that next 1,000 subscribers? How to get the next 10,000 subscribers? So click a link here and here. I look forward to seeing you in class.